attach the table base to the tabletop, place your tabletop upside down on your work surface and measure for the proper overhang. This kit will have a 2-inch overhang on all sides, so it's important to make sure it's centered up before attaching. All of our table base kits come with pre-drilled pocket holes for attachment, but we also offer Z-clip fasteners and figure 8 fasteners depending on your project preferences. Before cutting a channel with my table saw, I'm going to measure the distance from the bottom edge that's going to make contact with my tabletop. For these fasteners, I'm going to set the height of my blade to 1/4 of an inch to allow for proper depth in our skirt. Next, we can install the Z-clip fasteners into the channels we created earlier, making sure that the side with the screw hole is touching the tabletop. One of the benefits of using Z-clip fasteners is the allowance of seasonal wood movement as the wood expands and contracts. Since only one side of the Z-clip is attached with a screw, the side that's inserted into the channel created will be allowed to move as the wood shrinks or expands. To install figure 8 tabletop fasteners, first mark out the locations for your fasteners on your table skirt kit. You can use a Forstner bit to create a recessed slot for the figure 8 fastener, and then use a wood screw to attach it to the table skirt. The larger side of the figure 8 fastener will attach to your table skirt while the other side will attach to your tabletop. This will allow for proper wood movement during seasonal movement. Finally, secure the fasteners to the tabletop using a proper length wood screw for a secure fit.